Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. It is a rainy day outside, but today is a good day because we're going to talk about the top Manscaped products that I use all the time after reviewing pretty much every single product they have. And the next product I'm looking forward to, if they do design it, which I have a slight feeling potentially they will. We'll see. So number one is going to be the Manscaped Beard Hedger. This thing is worth the hype. I'm a guy that likes my beard. I've shaved it all off with their electric shavers. It did a great job, but I do like my beard. And the Beard Hedger is absolutely fantastic. So let's take a closer look at the Beard Hedger. Now, as we do, awesome news for you guys. Top link in the description box below the video is going to be a direct link to get 20% off whatever Manscaped offers. Beard Hedger, the next product we're going to talk about in just a little bit. Whatever you want, 20% off and free shipping. Take a look at that link. Again, top link in the description box below. Definitely watch the whole video through, but enjoy that discount when you are ready to purchase. All right, let's take a closer look at the Beard Hedger. I like a little bit of stubble, but not too long. This is getting a little bit longer than I like. Quick little fix for this. I've done this before at church in a matter of minutes. You have your scroll wheel right here, which has your numbers already right there. So you literally just scroll it over with your thumb, and I'll show you that. I like about 6.5 up here on my mustache area, and then I like 5.5, 5.5 on my beard. And then we're gonna pull off the guard for our neck area right here, as well as the back, and then your cheeks right here as well. So literally go from your neck, take the guard, pop that on, and twist your scroll wheel, and the battery lasts a very long time. Let's go ahead and give it a go. Battery indicator, and let's go ahead and rip it on down. Okay, so 5.5, we're gonna go all the way up to my sideburns, but not like going into my sideburns. But again, we're just ripping right through my chin area on 5.5, but I'm not touching my mustache area. That will be for 6.5. All right, this is how easy it is. I turn it off, 2 thumb clicks over to 6.5. Let's get my mustache. Blade guard comes off. That looks great already. I'm gonna take it a step further and I trim down my mustache a little bit so it's not as Ned Flanders thick. So again, I took off the guard. Now I got the metal blade here. I'm gonna look in the mirror a little bit more so I don't goof it up looking at the small LCD screen. My cheeks as well, and then my upper lip right here as well. So you can see I thinned it down a little bit right through here, so it's not as Ned Flanders all the way up to my nose. Cheeks are looking great. Now let's get my neck. Absolutely stunning. Literally in a matter of minutes, trimming a full beard, cutting around my lip, 6.5, 5.5, getting my neckline, neck hair on the back, don't forget about that as well, and it absolutely does a fantastic job. I actually gave one to my brother, I think for Christmas, and he absolutely loves it. He's like, dude, it's like you just thumb wheel and then you go. And again, if you are wondering, it goes from 0.5 all the way to 10 on the scroll wheel. Awesome little trimmer. On a side caveat, so is the Weed Whacker 2.0 for nose and ear hair. I do use this, and guys, don't be like going like this in the car and picking it. That's very bad for your nose hairs. So just get the Weed Whacker 2.0, zip in there, because there's sometimes where I'm vlogging on my other channel and I'm holding the camera a little bit too low and I was like, whoops, should have used the Weed Whacker 2.0 on those nose hairs. That's not what ladies want to see, my friends, or your wives. They don't want to see that. Anyway, that works great as well. So again, I use it all the time, at least a couple times a month. Keep my beard super trim and lean and mean. It's so fast, especially since I don't even have to take off the guard. I literally set this on my shelf, charge it every once in a while, scroll wheel, you guys saw, rips through, one and done, taking off the blade, trimming up my neck hair. I even do some top back hair if I get a little bit of growth. I could even rip through my chest hair if I really wanted to. Yes, it's a metal blade, not the ceramic. That's where the Lawnmower 5.0 comes into play. But this is the top Manscaped product that I do use. Okay, now the runner-up, but which I use every single day, are going to be the Manscaped Boxers 2.0. All right, first and foremost, let me try to clip you on here. Okay, these are the limited edition purple boxers We've Saved Balls. This is the Testicular Cancer Society. They've teamed up with Manscaped, and these are limited edition, which posting this video currently in May of 2025. These should still be up on the website with the limited edition Manscaped 5.0 Ultra trimmer as well. You can get the bundle package. Absolutely beautiful soft boxers. Love the purple camo. But if you're too late to get the limited edition boxers, here is one of the designs of the Boxers 2.0 package. They're little like emojis with sunglasses. And I wear these boxers every single day. Look at the Manscaped logo with gold on black like that. I'm wearing a pair right now, not the emoji ones, but I have probably 12 pairs. I cycle through them, love them. I wear a medium. I'm about 5'9", athletic build, 150. I wear a medium, fit great, look great, feel great. And ladies and gentlemen, worth the hype, Boxers 2.0, Beard Hedger, loving it. Okay, now before I do let you go, if the designers of the next products ever watch this, and it's just the one thing they're missing in their arsenal is gonna be an actual haircut trimmer. Now, I'm getting close to a haircut. I just haven't combed it. That's why I'm wearing the hat right now, but I'll leave that off for a second. It would be absolutely phenomenal if they made a ceramic blade hair trimmer where you literally could shave your chest, your arm hair, and cut your hair as well. And if you designed it like this, where I wouldn't have to remove the blade guard to like a 3 and a 6, because I do like I think I do like a 6, a long 6 around the area here, and then I just like, you know, trim with scissors the top area here. But for guys that are just doing like a bowl cut or a modern mullet, to be able to scroll a wheel like this and be able to cut that with a hair trimmer would be absolutely phenomenal. Then you grab this, slip through for a little bit lower, get that beard dialed in. I mean, it's game on, baby. Anyway, if you want to grab, again, 20% off and free shipping, use that top link in the description box right below the video. Enjoy your 20% off. But just like all my videos, please don't go into debt for anything I am making a video about. But if you do have the cash and it does intrigue you, please go ahead and purchase on away. If you wouldn't mind hitting that thumbs up button on your way out, helps the channel. Also subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. These are DIY house projects, Manscaped videos, tech reviews, and more. My name's Chris. Your link is below. I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.